Number 9, which expression is equivalent to the expression below? 53p plus the value of 16p plus 7p. Well, let's start with this problem by solving what we have so we know what value we're comparing to. So we've got some parentheses here, so according to PEMDAS and order of operations, we're going to do that first. So let's break this down. We got 53, we're going to do the parentheses first, 16p plus 7p. They are like terms, so we can add those together. 16p plus 7p is 23p. So we have 53p plus 23p. We add those together, and we've got 76p. So that'll be the number we'll use going forward to compare and eliminate our answer choices. So let's start with A. A says the value of 16p times 7p plus 53p. We're going to multiply 16p times 7p. We can do that. They are like terms, but it will end up with some exponents, and it gets a little weird. Number's way too big. We actually have some 16p times 7p. Actually, those are in the squared numbers. We'll leave it just with p right now so we can see way too big when we compare it to 76p. That doesn't work. B, 53p times 16p. We're looking at multiplication again. It's going to be huge. That number is massive, way bigger than the one before. That's not going to work either. C, we got to add addition. So we've got 16p plus 7p. We're going to add those together first. We get 23p times 53p. Whenever we multiply these together, we're going to get some exponents, which won't match our 76p. Plus, those numbers are going to be huge. That won't work either. And finally, D, 53p plus 16p. We can add the parentheses together first. 53p plus 16p is 69p plus 7p. Add those together, we get 76p. That matches our answer. So, in this problem, which expression is equivalent to the expression below? D, the value of 53p plus 16p plus 7p.